This video, we're gonna talk about trigonometric function. So, ang given natin is negative 4 and 3. So, ang hinahanap ko dito is ang r. Ang gagamitin nating formula is Pythagorean theorem, which is x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. So, ilalagay lang natin siya dito yung negative 4 squared plus 3 squared. So, ang sagot natin dito is 16 and 9. Pag-add po natin siya, which is ang sagot is 25. So, para maalis ang squared is square root lang po natin siya, both side. So, ang kakalabasan is 5. So, ito po ang sagot niya. So, ang R is 5. Dito naman po kung paano siya gagawin is susundan lang naman po natin yung binigay dito na instruction. Parang lalagay lang po natin siya, which is ang y, ang sin theta is y over r. So, ilalagay lang po natin siya is 3 over 5. And sa cosine is x over r. Negative 4 and 5. And sa tangent, which is y over x. Negative 3, positive 3 and negative 4. Dito naman po sa cosecant, babalik rin lang po natin siya, which is r over y. Giging 5. Babalik rin lang po natin siya lahat. 5 over negative 4. So tangent is x. Negative 4 over 3. So, ayan po kung paano siya gawin.